Anna-Nicole, how come the cookie's gone? Who ate the cookie?
Santa Claus.
Alright.
Wow.
Do you want your stocking?
Yeah. Is this my stocking?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, it's pretty full of stuff.
Okay. Emily's birthday cake.
Oh. I think this one works. Does it work? Remember your other one didn't work. Let's see.
That's broken.
How did he know your cake was broken?
He knows everything.
Wow. Isn't that special?
I think that's
What is that? Oh.
butterfly watch.
What's that? On the other side.
Pictures of me and you. Much more stuff.
What are you doing with all this stuff, sweetheart?
I don't know.
Huh?
Baby.
How cute.
The chicken.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I want to see what's in my stocking.
Buddy.
What is that?
That's a toothbrush.
An Arthur toothbrush.
I want everything. What is
Let's see.
I think that's a magic towel for the bathtub.
this? Here it is. Something else.
Let's see. You should have seen Jesse.
Little mermaid
He's standing in
one.
his crib just going, wow. Wow.
See if they're playing with it.
Yeah, he is. Let's see. Oh, how cute. What are those?
Clips.
How did Santa know that you had wear clips in your hair? Santa just knows everything, doesn't he? And how did he know Emily's birthday cake was broken?
There's some more.
Oh, aren't those cute?
And there's one more on the bottom.
That sounds like D-Mart.
Pardon me?
Paper.
Just paper? Well, I think you got, wow, look at your watch. You got a new watch?